Welcome to Learn English Fluently now. Ready to level up your English? Here we learn through stories, slow, clear, and fun. Listen, relax, and enjoy the journey.
Chapter 11: The Magic of Story Layers. After overcoming her moment of doubt, Anna felt lighter, as if she had crossed a hidden bridge inside herself. Her small YouTube channel was growing, but she wanted to bring something fresh, something that would make learning vocabulary faster and more fun. One quiet afternoon, while sipping chamomile tea, Anna's mind wandered back to her favorite book from childhood. It was a book full of stories inside stories, tales told by characters who themselves told other tales. She smiled at the memory. Suddenly, an idea sparked. What if she created a story that contained many smaller stories? Stories within stories, each designed to introduce new words, expressions, and feelings? The thought felt exciting and a little scary. The new plan. Anna grabbed her notebook and started brainstorming. She wrote, "A main story with a young woman like me." Each chapter includes a small story from a different character she meets. Each mini-story teaches 5 to 10 new vocabulary words naturally. Use dialogue, feelings, and simple situations. Repeat words but with different meanings or uses. Add questions for viewers to practice speaking. She thought about the young woman in the story, a character named Mia, curious and brave, who travels through her city meeting people with interesting lives. Each person shares a story that teaches something new about English words. Anna felt her heart beat faster. This was not just teaching. This was creating a whole world. Writing the first story. Anna started writing the first mini-story about Mia meeting a street artist named Leo. Leo was painting a large mural on a brick wall, using bright colors. Mia asked, "What are you painting?" Leo smiled, "I'm creating a picture that tells a story." Each color means something. Red for passion, blue for calm, yellow for hope. Anna included the vocabulary words naturally. Mural equals a large painting on a wall. Passion equals a strong feeling about something. Calm equals peaceful, not worried. Hope equals feeling that good things will happen. Artist equals a person who creates art. Then Mia shared a story Leo told her about his life. She repeated the new words slowly for learners to hear and understand. Anna even imagined questions for her viewers, like, "Can you name a color that makes you feel calm? What is something you feel passionate about?" Making it interactive. Anna realized the story within a story method was perfect for making learning interactive. Each episode could end with simple exercises, matching words with pictures, repeating sentences, or writing a short answer. She tested the idea by sending a draft to a friend who taught English online. Her friend loved it. She said, "This is fantastic. It feels like the learner is part of the story." That gave Anna more courage. The first video using the new method. Anna recorded the first episode with the story of Mia and Leo. She used soft background music and showed the mural painting as she spoke. Her voice was calm, warm, and inviting. She introduced the vocabulary words carefully, repeating each one. At the end, she asked viewers to pause and answer simple questions aloud. The response was immediate. Comments poured in. I loved the story. The words were easy to remember. The questions helped me speak for the first time. Please make more stories like this. Anna's heart swelled with joy. She knew this was the way forward. The power of stories. Anna thought about what made this method work so well. It wasn't just about words. It was about connection. When learners hear a story, they feel emotions. They picture the scenes. They understand how words live in real life. That feeling makes vocabulary stick. Not in lists. Not in tests. But in stories. What Anna learned today. Learning through layered stories is powerful and fun. Vocabulary learned with emotions and context is remembered better. Asking questions invites learners to speak, practice, and grow. Creativity can change the way we learn languages. Sharing a world with learners creates community and motivation. Anna smiled, thinking about all the stories waiting to be told. The journey of English was no longer just hers. It was everyone's. Together, they would discover words, meanings, and worlds, one story at a time. Chapter 12, Finding the Flow in the Chaos. Anna had found her new way to teach English vocabulary, through stories within stories, and it was working. Her videos felt alive, and her viewers loved them. But suddenly, life started pulling her in many directions. Her mother needed help with the family business. Her little brother had school projects. Her own health was a little shaky after long hours editing videos. And, on top of everything, Anna's part-time job demanded extra shifts. The balance she had found between teaching and living was tipping. One morning, Anna woke up with a headache. She looked at her calendar. A long list of things to do stared back at her. Can I do it all? She wondered. Will I lose the energy to create? The weight of expectations. Anna realized she had set very high expectations for herself. Every video had to be perfect. Every lesson had to be new and exciting. Every viewer's comment mattered deeply. But she was forgetting something crucial, herself. In trying to give everything, she was giving herself little. A moment of pause. That day, Anna decided to take a walk in the nearby park. The crisp air cleared her mind. She watched children playing, couples walking, birds singing. She noticed how nature did not rush. Trees grew slowly but steadily. The river flowed gently but surely. Anna understood. Learning, creating, living, they didn't have to be perfect or fast. They just needed to be steady. Small steps, big impact. Anna made a new plan. Record shorter videos when she was tired. Use simple stories sometimes, not always complex ones. Take one day off every week to rest. Ask for help with editing or ideas from friends. Write ideas down anytime to keep them safe. She realized that small steps, done consistently, could keep her journey alive without burning out. The power of routine. Anna started waking up 30 minutes earlier, not to rush, but to write ideas in a notebook. She created a small English corner in her room, filled with colorful sticky notes, vocabulary cards, and story prompts. Before bed, she read simple English stories, not to teach, but to relax and learn. Her body and mind began to feel stronger. Sharing the real story. One evening, Anna recorded a special video. She spoke honestly. Sometimes, learning and teaching English is hard. Sometimes, life gets busy, and we feel tired. That is okay. It's okay to slow down. The important thing is to keep going, step by step. She shared tips for learners on how to manage their time, stay motivated, and avoid stress. Her viewers responded with gratitude. Many wrote that they felt the same way. Anna realized that being real, not perfect, created a deeper connection. What Anna learned today. Balance is not about doing everything perfectly, it's about doing what you can. Taking breaks is part of learning and creating. Small, consistent actions beat occasional bursts of effort. Sharing struggles makes learning honest and relatable. Self-care fuels creativity. Anna smiled softly as she closed her laptop that night. The road was long, but she was walking it with patience, courage, and heart. If you enjoyed this chapter of Anna's story, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss what happens next. Stay with us, her journey to mastering English vocabulary is just getting started. See you in the next chapter.